Let's get this big truck. See, at high speeds, I'd assume that maybe we can get past. Put it here. Yes. Okay, let's see. Is he gonna make pass? Wait. Before we do this, make sure to comment what you guys think that's gonna happen. I'll give it 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's see. Oh, sadly did not make it. Well, better put that one in the bottom. Let's see. Let's put that back up again. Then we can. Wait, that's actually freeze that. That's good. So let's get the tractor. Let's do this again. Write down skull emoji if you're in this file in the video. So oh shoot! Oh, I don't think that went as good as I planned, but oh, right. See, let's try the truck. I think the truck might make it. It's pretty good. Let's go. Oh shoot! Oh, I did not even make it past. Not even a scratch. How can this thing get destroyed? Wait, let me just test. I'm pretty sure it can get destroyed. Okay. Let's see. I already know this one's my win. Let's try it. Let's see. I wish Jay was here. But I guess hello subscribers have to watch me. Oh shoot! Oh, it's kind of failed. Shoot, where'd it go? Uh-oh. I got it. This is not okay. Let's see. Put this. Okay, put this good. Wait. Let's see. Oh no, we're into the holes. Let's go! We made it past! It has made it past. And I think, okay, so that's the end of the video. It's a short video because Jerry's not here.